travel besties. Look, if you're cruising solo on Virgin Voyages, don't worry about feeling alone because you're definitely gonna find your tribe of people to hang out with for the week. Solo meetups is one of the many things that Virgin Voyages does right. I have gone solo twice and made friends each time.
Ahoy! Ahoy! Well, welcome to your Solo Socials event. How's everyone feeling? This is truly the best way to travel, solo.
Slash the UK, and my favorite cocktail, definitely a margarita.
My name is Maya. I'm the artist of all of your we're a part of your happenings class. My favorite drink is an Aperol Spritz, and I am from London, England. Hello. Happy
birthday! Welcome once again. If you go into your apps, you can link to all of you, okay?
So whether you're looking to make new friends or just enjoy some free champagne, make sure to add it to your schedule. And even if you're traveling to enjoy some solo time, it's worth stopping by for the bubbly, right? Right. So cheers to new adventures and cheers to new friends.